Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to be installing some Vicrez Widebody. As you can tell, we just purchased this car and it did come with the Widebody rear bumper and front bumper. Let me show you right there. But we're going to be installing the fender flares to make this car complete. The good thing about that we just have the bumpers and not the sides is that Vicrez does sell the side kit by itself, just the side kit that goes to this Widebody. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be painting it. I'm going to show you how to paint it and I'm going to show you how to install it. Here it is, guys. It is complete. Everything's included. So all we need is to paint them. So let's just go to that. There you go. You saw the car. You saw that it's missing the Widebody, the actual fender flares. These are it. We're going to paint them up and install them. There you go. So I'm going to show you how to do that and how to install it. Also, you want this Widebody kit for your Charger, Challenger, Durango, hit them up. Hit them up. Tell them Far Away sent you. Vicrez. The way you prepare these, or the way I prepared these, I scuffed them up with a maroon Scotch-Brite. They're scuffed up. They're ready to go. Now comes the important part. You're gonna have to apply some adhesion promoter. It is not gonna work if you do not apply adhesion promoter. It doesn't have to be this brand, as long as it's adhesion promoter, guys. You need to apply it. This is sprayed with the gun, so that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. So let me just put it on the gun and start spraying it so you can see how this thing goes. I applied 2 coats of the adhesion promoter, waiting 15 minutes in between each coat. Now I'm just going to wait another 15 minutes for it to do its thing, for it to dry, come back, start applying that sealer. The sealer has been applied. It only needs one. That is it. One coat. I'm gonna let it set for another 10 to 15 minutes. Come back, start applying that base, that white. There you go. 3 coats. Now let's start applying that clear. We're gonna wait about 15 minutes for this to dry and bring in the clear. The parts have been painted. Now let's start installing that wide body. I'm gonna get these pieces. These come with the kit. These are the ones that are gonna hold the wide body in the car right there. Okay, but we gotta prep them. What do you mean by preparing them? Yes, we're gonna have to sand the inside where the tape is gonna be at, the 3M tape. We're gonna have to sand it. I'm sanding it with 220 grit sandpaper. Once it's sanded, you're gonna get yourself some adhesion promoter. Right there, that's the brand. This is what I'm using. You're gonna have to apply where all the tape's gonna be at. There you go, the promoter has been applied. Now I'm gonna wait about 5 minutes for it to dry, then come back, start applying that 3M tape. Okay, I got the piece. The 3M has already been applied. Now I'm not going to remove the backing yet because I need to install this to check as to where it's going to be going, because I still need to put adhesion promoter on the car. That is exactly where the wide body kit's going to end up. What I did, I just placed it right there, just got myself the tape and just aligned it. That's why I left the bottom piece, because it's flush on the car, and I aligned it. Now I can put adhesion promoter all this area right there. And also we're gonna apply adhesion promoter where the 3M tape from this backing is gonna end up. Okay, now before applying the 3M tape and before applying the adhesion promoter, what we're gonna do, we're gonna sand all this area with the 320 grit sandpaper. We need to sand it down so that we can apply some adhesion promoter to this area also. There you go, nicely sanded. Now comes the adhesion promoter. Okay, we applied the adhesion promoter. We're gonna wait about 5 minutes for it to dry. Then we can start applying that 3M tape. There you go. 3M has been applied. I'm just gonna let it set for about 5 minutes. Make sure it bonds perfectly to the surface. Now we can start applying that adhesion promoter on this side. We have applied the adhesion promoter right there and right there. So we're ready to bring the piece so we can glue it back. But first, let me remove the tape. Let's go. The kit also includes these little tabs which go right there. That way they can connect with a bolt to the other one, to the one on the bumper. And there it is. First piece. Now it's complete with the bumper. Beautiful. Let's continue with the other piece. Remember, get yourself this plastic molding that's going to be right here and sand it down. It's been sanded and the adhesion promoter has been applied. All right, The tape has been applied, the adhesion promoter, the sanding, everything has been done. It's ready to go. Now, let's go to this side and put the adhesion promoter, doing the same steps as I did over here. There it is. All I gotta do is just clean it up, but perfect. Let me just finish out the car. I'm gonna be doing it the same way, and I'll come back, show you the car. Here it is, guys. Came out real nice. Wide body is installed. That's the way you need to do it in order to get perfect fitment and last long. All we need is the wheels. This car is set. And this is gonna be it, guys. This is gonna be it for this installation of the wide body by Vicrez. I want to thank Vicrez for letting me review these fender flares. This is it. I'll see you this coming weekend. Have a great week, and like always, stay safe, guys.